Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can transfer files between a Windows 10 PC and a Debian machine. Now this is the Windows 10 device. On this device, we'll need a client, an application that will allow us to use SCP to securely transfer the files between this machine and the Debian machine. And on this Debian machine, we'll just need to make sure that we have SSH enabled. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's open the terminal. And we'll just run the command. And we'll run the command system ctl status ssh. And on this machine, we have SSH is active and running. Now, in case you don't have SSH installed, it's a command you can use to install it. You can do sudo apt install open SSH server, and then just put in your password, and that should install SSH server for you. The other thing we'll need is the IP address, because we'll need to input this IP address on the Windows 10 device. So run the command IP address, and this computer's IP address is 172.16.1.101 right here. With that information, we can go to Windows 10, and like I said, we need a client here. So open your browser and then search for WinSCP, download. We'll go to winscp.net. Okay, and we need to download WinSCP, so click on that link, and the download is done and it's completed. We can minimize this. This should be by default be downloaded onto your downloads folder. So go to your downloads folder and you should see the WinSCP setup file. So to install it, just double click on it, and then install for all users. Click yes, accept, typical installation, next, install, and it's installed. Click finish, and now we can search for it. We can say WinSCP, and there it is. You can click on it to open it, and this is the client. So the protocol we'll be using is SFTP. You also have the option for SCP. These are secure protocols for file transfer that use SSH. As you can see, the port number we are using is 22 for SSH. We need the host name, which is the IP address of the Debian machine, which was 172.16.1.101. You'll need the username that's configured on the Debian machine and the password for that user in order for you to connect to that Debian machine. You can save this connection, or you can just click login. If it's the first time, it's going to ask you if you trust the device. Accept, and we are connected to it, and we have two windows here. One is going to show you the files on this device, the Windows 10 device, and the other one is going to show you the files on the Debian machine. So this is the Debian machine. There's a file called test file. If we go to the Debian machine here and I do pwd, if I do ls, there's this file, test file, and this is the Windows 10 device. Now we can navigate to the different folders here. For instance, the desktop, the downloads folder, where we just downloaded this file right here. So when it comes to copying files between the two, all you have to do is select the file you want to transfer to the other device and just drag and drop it. I can grab this file and drag and drop it to this, and then all I have to do is say OK, and the file has been transferred. If I go over here and rerun ls, there is the file. Back to this, if I wanted to move a file from Debian to Windows, I'll select the file and then I'll just drag and drop it, and if I go to this downloads folder, there is the file. And when it comes to deleting, you can just delete a file. I can just select it, right click and delete it, and it should be deleted. If I go back to Debian again, the file shouldn't be there, it's gone. Same thing with this one, I can delete the file and it's gone. So that's it for this video. That's how you can transfer files and even folders between a Windows 10 PC and a Debian machine. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.